Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with a new box to my channel, and that's Drapefit. Now, if you're not familiar, Drapefit is a clothing subscription box. You can choose how frequently you receive it, whether monthly, quarterly, so on. There is a $20 styling fee that you do get back if you were to purchase something. You get up to 5 pieces of clothes based on a profile that you complete. You have 5 days to try everything on and send it back. And they even have special services available too, like a special fit, they call it. So let's go ahead and bust this open and see what I've got. So here is my bundle. There's no peeking. How disappointing is that? What else do we have? I have my paperwork. I have a bag that this is what you will send it back in, anything that you don't keep. And it does go to the post office. I did find my paper. It looks like I have 8 things in this bundle. So I have more than 5. So, which is fine. Gives me a little bit more of a variety. So let's go ahead. So I'm going to tear this open and see what we've got. Interesting. Interesting. Ooh, I have jewelry, it looks like. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. We have a natural stone triple layered necklace. Oh, it is in gold. I don't normally wear gold, but that is pretty. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So there is the stone, kind of a green, very light turquoise color, dipped in like a gold plating. And then we have the layered pieces. It's very pretty. I don't wear gold though, so that's a little bit of a problem. So they would like $19.99 for this, and I think that is a fair price. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try everything on. I will be right back. The first item is this sweater. Now they call this sweater the multi-striped round neck raglan long sleeve. It is 51% rayon, 28% polyester, and 21% nylon. They would like $27.50 for this sweater. Now, it is a fine knit, which passes the sweater limitations that I have. Because of the pets, really wide knit sweaters are a no-go for me. They'll get caught in my pet's nails. So this one is a finer knit, and I can wear it. The only problem is it's just one size too small, I believe. If it was one size larger, I think I like this sweater. I like it a lot. Lightweight sweater, so it's a good sweater for spring on those chilly days. Now, I'm sure you can tell by my waist that the pants I'm wearing are just a little snug. So let me pan you down so we can talk about the pants. These pants are the women's high-rise flare-cut boot cut pants. They are 65% rayon, 30% nylon and 5% spandex. They would like $39.99 for these pants. Now, these are too small. They are just way too small. I think if they were a size larger, it would be okay. But I like, you know, I mean, they're really compressing me in. They're making me look really good in places. I think they're a little long, but I like them. I mean, I don't have a problem hemming them or anything, but they are too small. So these will be a no. I mean, if they were to send me these again in a larger size, I would probably get them. So on to the next. The next thing I tried to put on were these Aeropostale jeans. Way too small. I mean, they came up to here and that was it. So I think I'm going to have to adjust my size profile because everything seems to be a little bit too small, except for the shirt I'm wearing. The shirt I am wearing is a women's Keep It Classy V-neck long sleeve top. It's 95% rayon and 5% spandex, and they would like $30 for this shirt. Now, as I'm standing here, you know, you can see this. When I turn, you can see this very easily. So it's just not flattering in that sense to me. And I mean, I love the V-neck. I love this V-neck. Nice long sleeve. It's comfortable to wear. It actually feels a little cooling, but just how it's hanging and everything, I mean, I like it. I don't know, maybe if I had pants on that fit, because I still have these on. And, but this probably wouldn't be quite so pronounced. But they want you to, they also gave me a cardigan. Now, the cardigan, they would like $25.99 for. You know, you can put things like this over blouses like this, and it hides it a little bit. So you don't see all of those things. Now, this is pretty cool. It's long, it's trendy, it would look good with some light wash jeans. It would look good in the office. Problem is it's black. I said no black on my profile. It is a nice fine knit. It even has a little bit of a pattern, if you can see that. But it's lightweight, so it would be a good spring, you know, transition from winter to spring. I like the length. I think it's nice, but it's black, and that's not going to work around here. It's just not. Okay, on to the next thing. The next item is this short sleeve chiffon top. They call it a double layer chiffon top because it does have a lining on the inside, and it needs it because I'm wearing an aqua bra and I can see it. But if you wear a flesh colored bra or nude, then you probably will not see it at all. I do think it fits well. I do think it is somewhat flattering. But this is the kind of fabric that doesn't breathe and doesn't stretch. And that makes me uncomfortable. So I'm going to say no to this blouse. But, you know, I like the sleeve detail. It's a little much, but it's okay. But, you know, just because this is the kind of fabric that doesn't stretch, it doesn't breathe, it's hard to care for. So I'm going to say no. Now, the last item is this plaid check pattern oblong scarf. They would like $19.99 for this. Let's take a look. That's cute. That's very cute. Oops. Yeah, that is cute. I rarely wear scarves anymore because I don't work. You know, because my work days are over and I don't know, I have to think about the scarf. I like the scarf. Okay, let's do a recap. Okay, so let's start talking about these clothes. Now, this raglan shirt, I really do like. I do. I like it. And I looked at my profile and you can exchange things. So I'm happy about that. I think I'm going to exchange this for a larger size. I think it's super cute. I think it was very flattering. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one. This one was by Ambience Apparel. Ambience Apparel. Very nice. And then again, this one was $27.50. And, you know, they sent me a gift card to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And also, I can get you a $10 credit if you use my referral link down below. And that'll also help me out as well. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, go ahead and check out that link and you can get $10 credit. So I'm going to exchange this one. These pants, I've been thinking about, and it's like I already have a pair of navy blue that I really like, so I think I'm going to pass on these, but these were too small, way too small. These as well. These were nice. I mean, Aeropostale, and how much did they want for these? They wanted $37.99 for a pair of Aeropostale. So, or Aeropostale. And, but I couldn't even get them on. There was just no way. So I'm going to have to update my size profile for them and let them know how these all fit me. You know, this is the first fit. So they most likely are not going to get it right the first time. And you got to give them at least 3 chances after that. They look at your profile, read your notes, and if the stylist is paying attention. So those jeans will be a no. This cardigan, I liked it. I thought it was really pretty. It's light. It's a good transition piece from winter into spring. You wear it with jeans. You can wear it to the office. It's a very versatile piece. But it's black, which is not going to work around all of my fur babies. And I just really don't think I need a piece like this. So I'm going to say no to this one. This red V-neck, I really did like it. Now, I also want to say something else. This is a Yoleti, right? So I've seen so far in some other folks' videos and that Drapefit is using some of the same brand names as Nadine West. And I was very concerned about that. But after seeing this piece is a better quality than the other ones that I've seen. So is this other chiffon blouse. It's a Zanana, very common in Nadine West, and I do have a couple of their pieces. But, you know, I could probably get this for like $15. So I think it's a little overpriced. Of course, these subscription boxes tend to be overpriced a little bit, but you know, you're paying for the convenience. Don't forget about that. But this one is a better quality than some of the other ones that I've seen. But, you know, this one, I don't like the fabric. It doesn't breathe. You can't move in it. So I'm going to say no to that. But, you know, I do like this. I do like it. But if they're using the same brands as Nadine West, and I know I can get these way cheaper, so this one will be a no. The scarf. I love the pattern. Matter of fact, I've never had anything with this pattern on it. Never. And the scarf is very, very soft. But I don't need a scarf like this. So I'm going to say no to this. So I'm just going to exchange the one shirt. And yeah, at least we found something. Oh yeah, the necklace. I'm going to say no to the necklace, even though it's very nice. I think it's priced right. It has a nice weight to it. They don't seem like super cheap pieces. But yeah, I'm going to say no to this because I wear silver. So, like I said before, this is just my first fit. They've got to get to know me. I'm glad that I found one piece in the box that I like. I did like quite a few of the pieces. It's just they didn't fit or the material didn't breathe. But I'm sure they'll get it better next time. And if I were to keep everything, I would get 25% off if I were to keep everything. Now the grand total was $229.34. If I were to keep everything, then I would save 25%, which would bring it down to $172. And then there's sales tax, and it would be a total of $187.38. Now, I think if all of these pieces worked out, I think that's a very fair price. And so you can't complain about that. So maybe next time we'll get a 5 out of 5. What do you think? And on that note, I am glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.